Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Matt Tech. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to upload multiple photos on TikTok. To get started, you need to open the TikTok application on your device. Then when you reach on the home screen of TikTok, tap on plus button which is on the bottom of the screen. When you get access on this page, you need to tap on upload button. Now tap on photos. After that, you can tap on select multiple button if you haven't on the bottom left corner and choose multiple photos according to your wish that you want to upload on TikTok. After you have chosen, you can tap on next button, and then when you reach on this page, you can customize these photos. You can add text, stickers, filters, crop the photos and add sound. Now after you have customized the photos, you can tap on next button. On this page, you can tag people, choose the followers who can view this post and customize all the options here also, and tap on post button. You need to wait for a moment so that the video will be uploaded on TikTok. So this is how you upload multiple photos on TikTok. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.